Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000 East-West leg. This is a section from Maypen to Mandeville, actually from Old Harbor to Mandeville. Now today I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think they should stick to the original alignment of Highway 2000 or the new alignment that was mentioned recently? Now, the original alignment, the road has been built from Kingston to Mandeville, to Williamsfield basically, just on the outskirts of Mandeville. That was always in the original plan, although there was some slight changes to the original plan, but it followed the route, basically along the railway track. Now, Highway 2000 was always intended to go to Montego Bay. So from Williamsfield to Montego Bay now is where they have done a new alignment. So originally the highway was to go from Williamsfield up through Balaclava, through the middle of Jamaica, basically going more north-south, through Manchester into St. James, where it would go to Montpelier and then down into Montego Bay. Now from Montpelier into Montego Bay has not changed, but the new alignment is now going to take the highway more towards the coast, not inland. So after the highway passes Mandeville, it's going to head towards the coast and head up to bypass the that mountain, Spur Tree Hill, go up into Junction, come down through Southfield, through Treasure Beach, into Black River, running more along the coast. Now, this is a major deviation from the original plan. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think the highway should have continued through Balaclava into St. James, through the middle of the island, or sending it along the coast is the best route? Now the highway is still going to go to Montego Bay. So when the highway gets to Black River now, it will then go from Black River to Montpelier into Montego Bay. So the new alignment basically is going to run it along Treasure Beach, or bring it closer to include Treasure Beach in its path. And Treasure Beach they have a lot of villas. They don't have any major hotels like a Rio or a Sandals, but it's a tourist area. And Black River has a major port in Jamaica. Well, it used to be. I don't think it's operating cargo services now, but the potential is there. Now, since we're talking about the alignment, that was the change in alignment 2000 for the highway to go more to the coast. But a new section of the highway was announced. Now, when the highway goes from Black River to Montego Bay, another section is also going to go from Black River to Negril. And in Negril, they are going to be building a new international airport, an airport that will eventually be at the size of, say, a Norman Manley International Airport. So that could be one of the reasons why I think the highway from Negril to that section was not a part of the original plan. That was added after. The only change in the alignment was between Williamsfield and Montego Bay. That's going to take a new alignment. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys. We think the new alignment, because it's now going to incorporate the highway from Black River to Negril, probably is not a bad idea. However, Jamaica does need, there'll be a highway from Black River to Montego Bay, but we'll talk about new routes, new highways needed in Jamaica in another video. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.